within. The voice of progress loud and thin, a melody of steel and sin. The noise of